Okay, members, we have another question. Let us see how it goes through it. This is the project now. It has two decisions stages, and so that's how you see it. I think it was about taxes. So they are telling us that copy and complete the table below. We are going to complete this table using this project here. Now they are telling us that we are starting with W and S. You follow always the order. Only that when you are doing the dry run, you follow the order that is followed here. So they are starting with reading S and W. That's why I'm starting with S and W, SMN and W also there. Then they went on to, is that in my flowchart, it's followed by T, then by P. So that is the order I should also follow. We get T before we get P. Now, we start with, they are telling us to read W first. Our W in this table is 350. Now, they are asking me, after reading W, is W less than 400? The answer is yes, because that W is 350. Then take T to be 0. So we take our T to be 0. So after taking T to be 0, then you come like this. How do we print T now? Our P. P, that is get W minus T. So that's how we are getting our P. We are getting W minus T. So when I get this minus this, I'm made with 350. So that's the first phase. When I come to next W, I have 840. Is it below this? The answer is no. If it's no, is it between this and this? The answer is yes. Because that this 840 is between 400 and 3000. If the answer is yes, you get W minus 4, you get to print E1, you get W which is 840 minus 400, that will give you 440. So we have 440, then this will be 0. Then tax will be 440 times this, times 0.15, which is giving me, now this T here, I'm using now this formula to calculate T. I get W minus 400, I get E1. Then the E1 I get, I multiply it with this, and the answer I'm getting there is 55. After getting T, now you can compute P. We get this minus this, and the answer there is going to be 785. After getting that, we come now to the next W. It's 2000. You start this between this. The answer is yes. So 2000 minus 400, we get 1600. Then to compute tax, now we get the result from here. We multiply it with this. So times 0.125, and the answer is 200. So now to get this minus this, I'll be adding 1. When you get down this minus this, that is the answer I'll be with. I come to next W, you see it's 4000. Is it between this? You see this one, that value is not in this range. So the answer is no. So if it's no, take E1 to be this and take E2 to be. Now we shall get 3000 500 minus 3000 to get E1 and get E2. After getting this, now use them to calculate the T. Here, if it was in this range, this is how we calculate T. If it's not in this range, this is how we calculate T. So we shall get that, we shall get now this value, our E1 times 0.125, then plus. Now, the thing let's get E2 we get this W minus 30,000, which will give you 500, then times 0.25. The answer we get there, the answer I'm getting is 700. When I subtract it there, I will get 3800. When I now this, now is that it's not here, So get this and then do the same thing here. Now, when you get this and subtract of that, we shall get 2580. Shall get 2580. So the answer I'm getting here, after getting now this E, put this E here, times this, then plus, get W minus this. The answer you get, multiplied with this, I'm getting 970. And I'm subtract this from this, I'll get I'm getting 4610. 4610. So that's the value I'm getting. Now when I come the next, you see this is our next. So it's my W minus 3,000. I'll get 5,000. So I just come on the 5,000. So the answer I'm getting is 1575. Then when I get this, subtract this to get P, we get this minus this, which will give me 642 and then a 5. Then when I come to this is now my new W because it's not in this range. So it means that this is how I'm going to check the T. I'll get now this times this, then E2, so this W minus 3,000, we get 7,000. The answer I'm getting is 2,075. 2,075. Then when you subtract this from this, I'm getting 7,925. After getting that, now I come for the last. When you get this, then minus 3,000. I'll get now 8,500. 8,500. And the answer I'm getting is 2,450. When you get 8,500, we put here times this, then plus E1, which is this, then times this. The answer we get is this. So if you subtract this from this, I'm getting 950. And so that's how I am going to complete that table. And so that was part of the question required us to do in simple terms. So you always, what we have to do, you have to check whether the values of W, where they are falling, then you have to follow the task as it was given to you. As simple as that. So we are calculating T 2 times. We are calculating it here. This one we are using this if our W was between 400 and 3,000. So meaning that for the first, these two, that's why we are calculating the T. And then for these ones, which are not in this range, we are calculating T using this, where our E is this, then E2, we get the weight, we add in the W we have here, minus 3,000, then we put here, and we get our T. Then, after that, they are telling us that write SN T is, after getting all the values of P, we write S, T, and P. So our T, you see our T is there, then the P, and then so they're telling us the sprite. So that's what we have there. I think that's the numbers. We copy and complete the table. So I have completed the table. So that's it. I wish you well. Now we are going to see how do we come up with a flowchart if they are giving us a word problem.